Hello everyone, this is Pamperchew. Today I'd like to show you a calculator that I found at the Goodwill. This is made by Unisonic. I cannot find any information about this online, so I don't know much about it. I can tell you a little bit about it. Go ahead and flip it over. Not much information on the back panel. Nothing that would identify what model number it is. Let's go ahead and turn it on. Okay. And we have an orange neon tube display. I think it's neon. All the digits work. Oh, I broke it. Oh, it just stopped working. Okay, let's try that again. Maybe it needs some repair work. Nothing. Well, it was working earlier. Let's open it up and see what's wrong with it. Maybe it's something simple. Maybe it needs new capacitors. Alright, so let's take the lid off. I took the 4 screws out of the bottom. Here's what it looks like inside. It must be all the display driving circuitry, some transistors, and here's the only integrated circuit that I see in here. 1973, week 31. Some kind of chip there. Really poor soldering job, it looks like. All those pieces just kind of bent around. Oh, even that piece is chipped right there. There's an odd solder job. Must have been a budget calculator. Yeah. Over on this side we have switches and the back of the buttons, the button board there. And on the power supply section we have 3 capacitors, a transformer. I'm gonna guess one of these is going bad. Looks like a bridge rectifier setup right here. Fuse, another transistor. Let's see if it'll power on now. Okay, well, there it went powered on that time. Interesting. There, this time it accepted a bunch of numbers. Really cool to look at the angle. But I'm going to go ahead and replace those capacitors. I'm sure that's just the problem we're having. Or it could be this terrible solder job. Alright, so I got it to turn on again. I'd like to show you the features. This has memory, actually. It's one of the early memory calculators. Let's start with the power switch, obviously, on and off. Decimal point, you have floating, 4, 2, and dollars, which would be 2. I do a clear. It goes like that, automatically does it in cents and dollars. We have a accumulator, N or not N, so I think that's 5 times 5 equals, so yeah, it keeps going. When you turn N on, and see if it does the same thing. I think it will. Okay, so I'm not sure what the accumulator does. I'm gonna have to look that up. Item count on. I'm also not sure what that does. Maybe it has to do something with the memory. Alright, so we'll start over here on the decimal. For decimal place, you have floating, 4, 2, and dollars. Accumulator, item count. the equals subtraction, equals addition buttons, last screen button kind of thing, MRC, memory recall. I'm sure that's what that means. If I store it in memory. What is it? Okay, I'm not sure what that does. For here, memory buttons. Over here we have memory recall, clear memory, and probably clear all or clear accumulator. That's what that's about there. Equals percentage calculation, make it negative or a positive number, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, memory removal and memory addition. Let's clear everything here. Okay, I want to enter 123, store it in memory, and then if I want to do a calculation now of 124 times 6 divided by the number we stored earlier, hit memory recall, equals, and there's your number. Now if I want to clear the memory, I can clear it, and now the memory is also gone. Okay. So yeah, it's a pretty neat desk calculator. I'm going to have it set up for next to my computer for doing calculations. And if anybody knows more information about this, so far I've learned it's made in 1973, but that's about it. It's a really nice thing. I got it for $5 at the Goodwill. But there you go. Thanks for watching.